Writing acknowledgement within a scientific manuscript. Actually, acknowledgement is not a fundamental section in the anatomy of scientific manuscripts, but rather it's considered a moral aspect in writing a scientific manuscript, especially when you submit large projects or huge research that had assistance from different association or societies. Actually, you have to give acknowledgements for all contributors who don't meet the criteria for authorship. This person should be listed in an acknowledgement section. Also, the author should therefore add a statement on the type of assistance received from the sponsor or the sponsor representative. And you should include the names of any persons who provide technical help and writing the types of assistance. The acknowledgements help your readers with their own research, affect the influence and impact of the researchers and other professionals you thank, and demonstrate the value and purpose of the agencies and foundations that fund your work. Here, some format of acknowledgement statements. First examples, you can write, we thank our colleagues from, and open brackets, and you mention their name and affiliations, who provided insight and expertise that greatly assisted the research. This is one example. The second example, we thank, you mention the name and title for assistance with, and you mention the particular techniques they give and the methodology and their name, affiliations, institutions, for comments that greatly improved the manuscript. Third examples, sometimes some authors added in the end of their manuscripts, you say the authors thank the anonymous reviewers for their so-called insight and their comments on an earlier versions of the manuscripts.